and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, hello, my name is Rashida and I'm a stay-at-home, work-from-home mom of 4 beautiful children. We have Giselle, who is 8, Malachi is 5, Nasir is 3, and Naomi is currently a year old. And here on this channel, we like to provide you with all types of motivation. We have cleaning motivation, laundry motivation, mommy motivation, just realistic motivation to help you get you through your day, week, month, and year. So if that is something that you're interested in, please consider joining our family. All you have to do is hit that subscribe button and make sure your notifications are on so you will not miss an upload. So today's video, I am bringing you some homemaking motivation. I have a couple of things on my to-do list to prep for the weekend. So basically today I need to go to the grocery store. But going to the grocery store for me is a whole different process, because in order for me to go to the grocery store, one, I need to clean the refrigerator. But before I even clean the refrigerator, I need to clean the kitchen. It's just how my brain works, guys. I don't know. It's just how my brain works. So we're going to clean the kitchen, we're going to clean out the refrigerator, and then we're going to go to the grocery store. And the main reason for me to go to the grocery store is because we are having a little cookout this weekend. So I need to get a couple of things to prepare for that. This is not like a big monthly grocery haul. This is basically a cookout grocery haul, if you will. But before we do all that, let's go ahead and clean.
Came here to party, I'm not gonna lie. So call up somebody, cause I ain't got the time. Nah, I'm feeling myself in the best way. I'm gonna pretend it's my birthday. Got all of my friends going crazy, cause this is how we do. We'll go dancing in the club on a Saturday night. Go driving down Sunset, feeling alright, yeah. Doing anything we like. We'll go cruising down the beach till the morning light. So wild and free, feeling so alive, yeah. Doing anything we like. We on that golden state of mind. We on that golden state. Let me stay with you. In us, can you? Just one night. I don't know about you, your life, but tell me 'cause we still have time. I can't say I can't up to, but do you feel the same, don't you? I think of you every moment. I think of you every moment. I can't say I can't up to, but do you feel the same, don't you? I think of you every moment. There's nobody else. There's nobody else. There's nobody else. Let me stay with you. In us, can you? Just one night. I don't know about you, your life, but tell me 'cause we still have time. I can't say I can't up to, but do you feel the same, don't you? I think of you every moment. I think of you every moment. I can't say I can't up to, but do you feel the same, don't you? I think of you every moment. There's nobody else. There's nobody else. There's nobody else. Had a feeling we had something. Could have seen it in your eyes. Took a second, but I'm right here, waiting for you with open arms. How about you coming closer? We can do my place. Maybe we can try meeting up by 7. You'll be saying over, so it's guaranteed. I'll be forever thinking more about you and me. I don't wanna let you go. I don't wanna let you go. Nah. Tell me what you want to know. Run your fingers down me slow. 'Cause you're in my head. You are, 'cause you're in my head. 'Cause you're in my what you think? What you think? 'Cause you're in my what you think? What you think? 'Cause you're in my. You're the love that I've been craving. Let me in now, don't be shy. We can be a summer story where dreams and reality collide. Are we back to the start? I can play the game, but I'm falling again. No, don't hold back, take it far. Promise you the same, let the pleasure begin. How about you coming closer? We can do my place. Maybe we can try meeting up by 7. You'll be saying over, so it's guaranteed. I'll be forever thinking more about you and me. I don't wanna let you go. I don't wanna let you go. Nah. Tell me what you want to know. Run your fingers down me slow. 'Cause you're in my head. You are, 'cause you're in my head. 'Cause you're in my. Let me stay with you. Even asking you just one night. I don't know about you, your life, but tell me 'cause we still have time. I can't say I can't up to, but do you feel the same, don't you? I think of you every moment. I think of you every moment. I can't say I can't up to, but do you feel the same, don't you? I think of you every moment. There's nobody else. There's nobody else. There's nobody else.
Okay, now that the refrigerator is clean, the kitchen is clean, it is time for me to go to the grocery store. I made a little list and I just want to go through and make sure I'm not forgetting anything. Here. So basically on the menu for our cookout, we have hamburgers and hot dogs. Where's my pit? Okay, so we got hamburgers and hot dogs. So basically how I do this is I list out the menu and then I go through and see what I already have and what I need to get. So for hamburgers and hot dogs, I don't have any hamburgers and I need to get buns for the hamburgers. And I already have hot dogs. Do I have buns? I feel like I have buns for the hot dogs, but I'll pick it up. And if I don't have it, if I do have it, then I'll just put the new ones in the freezer. So on top of that, I want to get some bratwursts as well. We got some french fries. I need to get a bag of french fries, the crinkly ones, because I think all we have is tater tots. Deviled eggs. I already have eggs and everything I need to make for that. I just need some chives because I add chives into my deviled eggs. Baked beans, already got. Fried fish. I have some tilapia, but I want to get catfish. So fried and baked chicken. So we're having fried chicken and barbecue baked chicken. I just need to get the chicken wings for that. We're going to have a salad. So I need to get the lettuce, cucumbers, and tomatoes. And I already have all the salad dressings. So that's what I need to get for the salads. I want to get a vegetable tray. So I need to get a vegetable tray. I want to get a fruit tray, but honestly, when I get the fruit trays, it don't be looking that good. So maybe I'll just get some fruit and cut it up myself. Chips and dip, already have. Some kid juices, already have. And some adult juices, already have. So that is what we're having on the menu. So hamburgers, hot dogs, fries, deviled eggs, baked beans, fried fish, fried and baked chicken, a salad, veggie tray, fruit tray, chips and dips, kid juices, adult juices. So that is the menu for the cookout that we are having. So let's go ahead and head to the grocery store.
Let me in now, don't be shy. We can be a summer story with dreams and reality collide. Are we back to the start? I can play the game, but I'm falling again. No, don't hold back, take it far. Promise you the same.
What are you doing? What are you doing? Okay, so here is the food for the cookout. I have some kombucha. It's not really for the cookout, that's for me. I have some chives for my deviled eggs. I use chives. And I just got some hamburger buns because we already have hot dog buns and I don't think we have enough hamburger buns. We got some bratwursts, some already beef patties already made. We have some eggs for the deviled eggs, some french fries because we're gonna deep fry some french fries. I got some shrimp because we're gonna make shrimp kebabs. We got some catfish because we're gonna fry some fish as well with the french fries. And then I picked up this big old bag of chicken. This is a 10-pound bag of chicken, and it was only $20. Y'all, that is a good price. I don't eat chicken like that, but this can last a long time. So we're gonna eat it for the cookout this weekend. We're gonna have it for Juneteenth. It's like a lot, and this is a lot for just a $20 price. So picked up a 10-pound bag of chicken, and this is the drums and the flats. So then we got some watermelon here. This is seedless. I could not find a regular watermelon. When I say regular, I mean the one with the seeds, the way it's supposed to be grown. I cannot find it, and I just feel like it's not a thing anymore, and it's such a shame because I prefer the ones with the seeds. One, because it tastes better to me, and two, that's how it's supposed to be. Like, I didn't have a problem as a child taking out the seeds as I was eating it. You know, just pop them right on out. But anyways, that's another discussion. Then we got some iceberg lettuce that I'm gonna chop up and make a salad with. And then I have some tomatoes and cucumbers that I'm gonna add to the salad. Then I just have this vegetable platter tray here, and it comes with the cheese, carrots, tomatoes, celery, broccoli, and like little beef jerky sausage things, I don't know, and ranch dressing. And then the last thing that I picked up is this strawberry cake or cupcake mix. Y'all, this was a blind buy. Not a blind buy, I don't know if that's what you call it, but when we was walking past this aisle is with the spices, and I had to go get the chives. But when we was walking past this aisle, Naomi wanted this so bad. How crazy is that, a 1-year-old trying to pick up things and go shopping? But you know, I picked this up for her. I think she was just more interested in the box because it has a unicorn on it, and her sister loves unicorns, so she recognizes the unicorn. But anyways, we just picked that up. I think it was only $1, maybe $1.50, so not too bad. So that is everything that we got from the store for the cookout. All right, so that is it for today's video. I hope you got tons and tons and tons of motivation. If you have any video suggestions, leave them in the comments down below. I am planning for the next months ahead, and I would love to know what you would like to see. As always, I appreciate you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next one.